In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install direct ExpressVPN on your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to download and install ExpressVPN on your Windows computer, you need to go ahead and open any browser. Then just search for ExpressVPN like that. And here you'll be taken to ExpressVPN official website. As you can see, here it is. Go ahead and tap on it. Now from here, you can head to download here and choose your platform. For this case is Windows, or if you scroll down below here, you can see you have an option to try ExpressVPN here. Go ahead and tap on this to download. So for my case, I'll go up here and choose desktop and choose my operating system, which is Windows, and finally tap on it. So from here, I'll go ahead and choose download Windows VPN and finally tap on download. By doing so, now you can see the download process has begun, and you should also be able to see the process here. Once the download is done, now you can see we have our installer file here. I'll click on this folder and it will take me to the file here. Double click on the installer here to launch, then click on yes, and now the installation process will begin. Here, all the necessary files will be gathered. Be patient as it installs. As you can see here, our installation is almost up, and finally we are done. Now, after installing, you may be missing the shortcut on your desktop. As you can see, I don't have the shortcut. For that, go ahead and click on Start menu here. And if you click on it, now you can see we have ExpressVPN under recently added. You can now go ahead and pin this on Start menu by right clicking on it, and if I choose pin to start, and now you can see our ExpressVPN is here on our Start menu. If you want to pin it to taskbar, maybe here, you can also just right click on it and go to more and then choose pin to taskbar. By doing so, it will be now pinned here. Go ahead and double click on it to sign up and start running and using ExpressVPN. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.